Hello everyone, it's Piku and today is my first video and it's 30th June today. So I am setting up my bullet journal today, and instead of doing it alone, I decided to do it with you guys. I actually started bullet journaling like 6 months ago, and in the beginning I struggled a lot with it. And don't mind the bird outside, I always have a lot of birds outside my house, so don't mind that. And for that reason, I always kept my bullet journal in a very simple and minimalistic way. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's do it. I'm using a handmade journal and its cover is made from upcycled fabric waste. So for headings and highlighting everything, I'm going to use these two highlighters and some colorful pens of any brand that are easily available in the market. So first I'm going to start with monthly setup, and I think it's the most tedious part, and that's why I'm going to keep it as simple as possible. For this month I am going to use grey color. So here goes our heading. And now I'm just going to rewrite July with black pen to make it more clear and readable. We are done with our heading, and now I'm just going to make a header line. Oh no, I did a mistake, but that's okay, it happens. Now I'm just making small stars using a red pen. I think red and black goes well together and it is looking cute. So my old journal had these grid on it, but this journal is plain, so I'm just going to use my ruler to make straight lines. So to make a month we have to make a 7x5 grid, which I'm going to divide into two parts. So on the left side we are going to make a 4x5 grid, and on the right side we're going to make 3x5 grid. Oh, I just forgot to make a row for week, so I'm just going to make it right now. My old journal had a built-in monthly planner in which a week would start with Sunday. So that's why I'm starting my week with Sunday instead of Monday. I don't know, I just have a habit of it. But if you don't like it, you can start your week with Monday. So now we are going to write dates. This month starts on Wednesday. And now I'm just going to mark all the important dates, and for this month I have only one important date for now, my sister's birthday, and I'm writing in Korean also because I am learning Korean these days. So I try to include Korean in my journal also. So now let's go to next page, and this page is for monthly check-in. At the end of the month I will write my feelings, like how was I feeling physically, mentally or emotionally that month. So this helps me to connect with my inner self. I know it sounds cliche, but it is very important for me to know where I am in life, whether it's physical, mental or emotional. So next is our habit tracker, and I am using the same highlighter and pen for heading and header line. So first we're going to make a vertical line at the very left corner of a page and a horizontal line on top. We are going to write dates on the vertical side and habits that we want to track, either good or bad, on the horizontal side. If you think it is too congested for you, you can divide the month into 2 parts like this. And at the end of the month, I'm just going to write a small report. So these are the things that I track usually, but for this month, I'm going to track my caffeine intake also, because I have been drinking a lot of coffee since last few months. So I want to break that addiction. And now let's go to next page. This is something that I am creating for the first time. I'm going to upload videos on regular basis, so here I am going to write all the YouTube video ideas for July. So if you want, you can subscribe to my channel for videos about nature, about productivity, life. So if this is not useful to you, then you can skip this page. And now we have reached our final page dedicated to our weekly planner. Here I write things I want to do or happen on day-to-day basis. On Sundays, I don't do anything, so this much space is enough for Sunday. This is my code for task. If the task is finished, I will just tick it with the red pen. If the task is cancelled, I will just cancel it. So I'm writing a task that I have to complete tomorrow. I have to edit this video that I'm filming right now. And I will try to upload it tomorrow if possible. But if it's not possible, then I'm going to upload it on 2nd, that is on Thursday. And if I want to write something during that week, I will write here. And I don't mind even if this part gets messy. And to be honest, it usually gets messy. And when this week comes to an end, I will make a new weekly planner. So that's how I set up my journal every single month. I hope you like it. So that's all for today, and I hope you find this video useful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.